Hello, everyone. Welcome to our series of Trustworthy AI for CRM. It is our Fireside chat video series where we dive into the various aspects of AI and CRM. My name is Harry Datwani. I lead our US Salesforce business for Deloitte. I'm joined today by two of my colleagues, Roland Ahiga-Maso, who is a leader in our consumer generative AI space, and also Samir Joglekar, who's been doing great work around AI and Gen AI in the consumer space. Great to have you both today.
Thanks for having us, Harry.
Thanks, Harry. Looking forward to the discussion.
As am I. So our focus today is going to be on CRM AI solutions and the impact that they're having on the consumer and retail sector. I'm going to get us started with question one. Roland, for you, I'd love to get your thoughts on what you see as the major opportunities for AI in the consumer retail space.
Thanks for that question, Harry. What I'll start with is say data has to be democratized for all business users because it's key to AI, generative AI. And ultimately, that would help improve customer experiences through greater personalization of responses and demos. In addition, you'll have enhanced sales and marketing strategies that help you envision and create better content and address specific customer or partner questions. There's also increased operational efficiency, which reduces the manual effort required from operations and frontline staff. That really hinges on delivering data and insights in an interactive manner to your associates to deliver real-time service to the customers. And then you also get to enhance the customer experience through augmented reality by enabling that actually enables smart and precision retailing. This also helps ultimately reduce your return rates from stores and online channels. And then there's high chances and increased opportunities for sales conversions, all due to the previously described factors that I've just shared.
Roland, thank you for sharing those insights. As we look towards the future, I believe personalization is going to continue to play a key role in how business set themselves apart. I think particularly in the consumer and retail space. Roland, what do you view AI's role in enhancing customer personalization? And could you share some use cases of that?
Thanks, Harry. When I think about customer personalization strategies, it cuts across a broad spectrum, and it could be everything from advanced personalization where you're leveraging large data sets to determine preferences, behaviors, and purchasing patterns of your customers. It could be dynamic pricing where you're using real-time data to create pricing strategies that respond to factors like customer demand, competitor prices, market trends, right? It could also be real-time predictive personalization where you're using real-time offers or you're using historical data to anticipate future needs and enabling proactive offers for relevant products and services. That being said, some specific examples that come to mind as applications when you think about those few is, you could leverage AI chatbots, for example, to personalize those offers, right, and make recommendations, manage complaints, and so on and so forth. You could also leverage personalized marketing campaigns where you're designing those campaigns targeted at customers' unique preferences and behaviors, and which potentially improve customers' engagement. And that in itself lends to then being able to personalize product development, which means you get to develop new products or modify existing ones to better cater to each customer segment as well.
Roland, thank you for sharing those perspectives. As I listened, there's clearly a broad set of areas for AI to add value when you think about personalization. I'd like to double click on the intersection between AI and CRM in this space, because I know there's a lot going on. Samir, I know you've been spending a lot of time in this space. Could you share some of the most interesting things you're seeing? What are the innovative use cases with the audience?
Thanks, Harry. Great question. So when I think about CRM and retail and consumer, there's two big topics. One is around focusing on taking a customer-centric approach, and the other is around data-driven decision-making. So if you think about, here's three examples, I think, to help bring that to life. Around customer-centric approach, one is social media and customer sentiment. So Deloitte has some offerings where we scrape either your sales channel or public data sets to really understand how your products are resonating in the market and where can you actually maybe expand into new areas leveraging generative AI for customer sentiment. You can also use generative AI for sales enablement and to help with pitch decks and collateral. So your sales teams are focused on what to say, not what to bring to meetings. And the third, around data-driven decision-making, is leveraging generative AI for understanding where an order is when it comes to customer service. Instead of focusing on finding data, you're more focused on helping answer more advanced questions for your customers.
Thank you, Samir and Roland, for your valuable insights. Unfortunately, our time together is coming to an end. And so I'd like to express my gratitude for all the time we spent together today. I hope the audience finds it as interesting as I did. Clearly, there are a lot of applications and use cases for AI and CRM in the consumer space. Excited to see what our clients do and hope that they know that we are here to help them on their journey to using AI to driving both top line growth and bottom line efficiencies. Thank you both for your time today.
Thank you.
Thanks, Harry.